means you gotta rig shit. Damn it. So this is a late start in the vlog today. I'm at the shop currently. My hair looks whack because it's been snowing and I've just my hair's been all nasty. I look gross right now, pretty much. What I'm trying to say. Either way, you're a bunch of dudes. I really don't care. But on that note, I don't know if I'm gonna upload today. I might just leave this vlog in tomorrow because it's kind of we got a late start. It's like 2:30. Tomorrow I'm gonna have a big one, a big little day, not a big day, but something interesting. I'm gonna take be visiting the scrapyard and whatnot. So if this video links in tomorrow, stay tuned. Like, don't click out yet. I think it'd be pretty cool. Detroit scrapyards are something funny to witness here. They're different. The people there are pretty crazy and they're different. I think a lot of them will be on camera too. So come on, bitch. That's the worst part about having a shop in the ghetto, is that your shit always gets broken into, which is what we're dealing with right now. Look at my fucking hair, get to it, I'm so serious. So basically, what happened like a week and a half ago is no, 2 weeks ago, so two guys, we caught them on camera, they tried breaking in, they did break in, they had the fence, and they stole our forks off our skid steer, and then the dudes proceeded to try to get in the shop, and they bent our door, our metal fire door. They bent the frame, and not the frame. They just bent the door in half, and they destroyed it. And then now we are crunched on time to get everything ready and prepped for the season. So they kind of fucked us a little bit. Alright, so I just want to pick up some pizza for my dad and my uncle. I'm going a little crazy right now. Fuck. This is a rant real quick. I really hate these cup holders. I hate them. Either way, right now, I'm going back to the shop. I don't know, this video is not going anywhere right now, so I'll probably restart this tomorrow. Yeet. Alright, so right now, I gotta change the trailer tires. And this trailer right here. But first I can move this truck that's in my way, so let's do that. Never mind, because that man over there told me that, you know, let's do the 2 tires. So we're gonna knock this out, take these to the tire shop, replace them, because look how bad they're pretty bad. That's like unsafe, so let's do that. Okay, so that other tire I just had, the spacing right here was a lot smaller, so it didn't fit on. So we should take these wheels and get different tires mounted. You can see how so sharp, they don't even roll straight. Look at that shit, dude. Crazy. So right now, I guess we're taking the tires off something. I don't know.
It's a drop hammer. It's called a drop hammer.
You gotta tuck into it.
This is called a drop hammer. It breaks the concrete. It goes boom! Boom!
So a reminder here, make sure you guys let me know what you think about these videos. If they're interesting, if they're boring, if you want me to make more, if you don't, if you want me to stop making them, let me know. But for right now, I get those other, those tires are heavy too. Go grab those. So back in a second. I can't imagine like getting hit by one of these on the freeway or something. Like, holy shit, this rubber's dense. Going in. Holy shit. Let me know what you guys think of these videos though. I'm just gonna keep saying that because I don't know, my channel really isn't doing work vlogs, but a bunch of people are asking, so why not? But on that note, I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. So alright, so it's the next day. I keep ready to record. I'm not used to recording at work. This really isn't work, it's kind of just prepping for our work season, clean the shop up, whatever. Because during work season it gets destroyed. But right now there's a whole bunch of steel way over there that I'm gonna put in the dump trailer and go take to the junkyard. So let's do that. Well, this should be fun moving this trailer around. There's literally no room in my yard now, so you're gonna watch Austin Powers. Alright, let's start the wash here. So I made a mistake. I guess the junkyard that I'm going to now, I guess we separate the metal. The last time I went to the junkyard, I put everything in a pile and I just got money for it. So I guess I don't know. Not as much steel here, so I don't really know yet. But I'm not gonna record me putting all the steel in there because this is boring. So get back to you in a little bit. All right, so let's grab this whole trailer. There's a piece of shit here. Taking the tires off. The tire's still good, so let's do that. Yeah, talk shit. Alright, so right now, we have the trailer all loaded up. We are going to go, have to rig this. Good thing we're in Detroit, but I don't have my plug relay thing because my truck is new and it doesn't have old 6-pin connectors. Anyways, we're gonna go dump this shit. It's not that big of a load, but just didn't make room in my shop, so let's go do that. so that was a pain in the ass. I just tried to stop recording. I was getting pissed off because my trailer hydraulic, like, there's something wrong with the pressure and it just wouldn't go up anymore. So I got to work eventually, but it was taking forever. I had like, and I had to go. Something I had to fix. It sucks because it's like a brand new trailer. So that was a pain in the ass. But everything dumped out pretty easily. So it was just kind of longer than I wanted to take. So oh well. I love the junkyard. The junkyard's so cool. But everyone's I don't know. Everyone's a little fucking crazy here, to be honest with you. But it's dope. So. Well, good thing I didn't do this to make money because I only made $128. But basically, the fucking the gross weight was 15,300, and my tower after was 13,980. Sorry. Basically, dude, my trailer with my truck is almost 14,000 pounds. That's fucking crazy. I don't know how that makes sense. I don't know. It's fucking nuts. Alright, so that was a bullshit little process. There's more like brass and shit I have that I can go to another junkyard. I think I'm gonna do it right now just to clean up the shop because the shop is messy as fuck. So things we're gonna do right now. So I know this video is kind of getting like just a scrapyard fucking video, but I don't know. It's just what I'm doing. It works. You guys asked for it, so you're getting it. This doesn't really work though. This is more of prep, I guess you could say. I don't know. All right. Whew. You know what's sad? I just washed this truck. I just washed it like 3 days ago. Not even, it's destroyed. Fuck Offset. I'm gonna put the trailer tires back on. The trailer, got them back in, got fresh meats. Shout out to Total Car Care. Hooked me up with the price. They're out in Livonia, Michigan. Ground's a little soft, so I got a piece of wood here to rig it. Hopefully it doesn't break. Probably will, but fuck it. Damn it. First try to sound it. Sound it. I got no patience sounding this fucking thing. You're jacking up a car alarm. Damn it, it's gonna talk about voice. I get some comments like, you're jacking up and get up wrong. You're not supposed to do it like that. Oh, fine. Sometimes you gotta rig shit. Damn it. Alright, maybe not. Fuck. There goes this jack. There goes this jack, boys. Just totaled. Alright, so I got them on. I just fuck up. I fucked up with trying to be impatient and rig something. And it obviously never works like you think it would in your mind. I fucked that jack up. Good thing it was like 40 bucks, but stupidity, I guess, right? Oh, that's fucking dumb of me. Oh well. Live and you learn. Next time, don't use fucking the first piece of wood you find because you have to speed everything up, you know? Take your time with shit. Okay, so right now George is at one of my workers is at a junkyard, and I have to go save him with some tools, and then I'm probably going home from there. So today's been eventful. I'm still super bad at recording here, but I probably should end the video now. I'm not able to record there. I'm kind of time crunch right now. But I'm gonna end the video probably right here. So if you like this type of shit, like, let me know. Like, don't be afraid to comment, say you want more of this, because this isn't my normal type of video. Usually I make just random truck videos or dirt bike, you know what I mean, just stuff like that, but this is a little different. So if you guys like it, comment, like, subscribe, leave a like if you actually like the video, dislike if you dislike it, like, you know, whatever, like the normal shit. But it's hell to do it because I forget to grab the camera when I'm working. Like, I just don't want to, or I just don't remember to. But saying that, yeah, leave a comment, tell me what you guys think. So, alright, see you guys. There's so many cars here. Look at this shit, guys. This is crazy.